Hey friends! Today in art, we're going to decorate our magic sunglasses. We have these cool sunglasses that I sent to you. And look, one side, the eye is red, and one side, it's blue. These are so cool. Can you look out the window? What do you see? Makes it look funny, doesn't it? It's so cool. Okay, so I think I sent you some stickers and you're going to need your markers. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with some markers. I'm going to start with blue. Okay, I'm going to draw some shapes on my sunglasses. Maybe I will do our shape of the week. It's a circle. Can you draw a circle? Up and around. And I'm going to color it in. Oh, look at that. I made a circle on that side. I'm going to make a circle on the other side. Make it matching. Up and around and color it in. And there we go. Look. I have two blue circles. Okay, I think I'm going to change markers now. And I think I'm going to go with... What do I have? What color? Can you see? It looks kind of blue, but it's really purple. Okay. And maybe I will make, on the side, I'll make some squiggly lines. What does that look like? Does that look good? Can you make some squiggly lines on the arms of the magic sunglasses? There we go. Fancy. These are looking good. Put them on. Nice. I'm making them my own. You know what? I am going to change colors again. Let's see. Now I'm going to go with... Can you see? Can you see what color is that? Yellow. Let's go with yellow. I think I'm going to put it on the front. Put it on the front. Can you draw on the front? I think I'm just going to make some triangles. Long line down, up, over, circle. There you go, and colored in. Oh, that. I have a little yellow triangle right in there. You can make any shape you want, or make squiggly lines, or make dotted lines, or make anything you want. Okay, I think I'm going to put my markers away and start with the stickers. Oh, I have some star stickers. Let's put this on. And you can put your stickers anywhere. Just don't cover the eye part, because you want to be able to see out of that. Let's see. I have a blue sticker. I'm going to put a blue sticker on. And then I'm going to put a pink sticker on. Wow, these are going to be so fancy. And I have a green star sticker. I'm going to put that on. Let's see what other stickers I have. Oh, I have a heart. I like that one. I have a red heart. You see that? A little tiny red heart. I think I'll put that on right here. Keep putting your stickers on. I bet your sunglasses are looking awesome. Good job. Keep working. Oh, sometimes these stickers are hard to get out. Here we go. I have another red heart I'm going to put on the other side of my glasses. There's lots of stickers I think that I gave you, so you can continue to put those on. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, I have a cupcake. I'm going to put my cupcake on too. I love cupcakes. Okay, I'm going to put it on that side, and I'm going to add one more sticker. One more cupcake I have on here. See that? Yummy, yummy cupcakes. Okay, I'm going to put it on. Let me see if I have room. Oh my goodness. I'll put it right here. All right. And then I'm going to put them on and show you what I did. Oh, what do you think? You like the sides and the other side? I think I did a good job. You can put more colors on. You can put more stickers. You can make them your own and make them look fabulous and magical, just like Pete the cat. Okay, everybody. it's time to go to B next. So you'll see me 2 times in a row. I'll see you in centers.